Fuor to provide consultancy for propane dehydrogenation and polypropylene complex. Fluor Corporation has been named as project management consultant for Advanced Global Investment Company's new propane dehydrogenation, polypropylene and utilities and offsites complex in Jubail Industrial City in Saudi Arabia. Fluor will perform project management consultant services for the front-end engineering design, detailed engineering, procurement and construction phases of the project. Once complete, the complex will manufacture 843,000 tons per year of propylene and 8 lakh tons per year of polypropylene that will be used for the production of specialty polymers for the face masks, automotive, pipes, food packaging and textiles industries. Award of the PMC contract follows AGIC's March 2020 signing of a shareholders agreement with SK Gas Co Ltd subsidiary SK Gas Petrochemical Private Limited to establish a joint venture named Advanced Polyolefins Co for construction and operation of the proposed PDH-PP complex. At a total estimated cost of about $1.8 billion, the planned PDH-PP project will be financed 25% by equity of shareholders, while APCJV will finance the remaining 75% via borrowing from lenders, APC said. AGIC will hold 85% interest in APCJV, with SKGP to hold the remaining 15% stake.